When you're starting out in affiliate marketing, or even if you've been doing affiliate marketing for a long time, there's one problem that we all tend to have at some point, and that's content. So sometimes it's hard to figure out what kind of content you want to create. And that's where PLR comes in. In this video, I'm going to show you 11 creative ways to use PLR for affiliate marketing. Hey there, it's Kim Wolf, your affiliatemarketinginformant.com, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. If this video helps you out, definitely give it a like, subscribe to my channel below, and comment below if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you out. So let's first make sure you understand what PLR is. PLR stands for private label rights, and it's just the ability to take content that's created by someone else and repurpose it in various ways. You can learn more about PLR on Wikipedia, which is where I got this quote from. So let me show you an example of what a PLR license looks like. When you buy any type of PLR, there will always be license terms around it stating what you can and cannot do with it. So in this particular case, some of the examples that I'm going to show you today, this is one of the license agreements. So it tells you that's for personal use only. So technically, I probably shouldn't be using it for affiliatemarketinginformant.com because technically that is a business and not personal use. You can also see that I can edit it and repurpose as I see fit. So some of the things that you cannot do with this PLR is that you cannot sell the source documents individually or package, and you cannot offer private label rights to anyone, which means you can't resell this and say, hey, you can actually go do whatever you want with it and you could potentially resell it as well. You can't do that in this case. So agreements are going to vary per license pack that you buy, so you always want to research that ahead of time before you actually buy it to make sure that it's going to meet your needs for the reason you're buying it in the first place. Here is another license agreement for a different PLR. This is content that I pay for on a monthly basis. And as you can see here, the requirements are actually different. So in this case, I can offer it as a bonus for a paid product. I can edit it, add graphics, rebrand it any way I wish. I can use it to create training videos. I can add it to paid membership sites. I can translate it to other languages. So there's a lot more on this particular content than there is the other one you saw. Down here, you'll always see the X's, so you cannot claim copyright, you can't resell this, you can't sell it as private label rights, you cannot use it to create an ebook to sell, and you cannot resell this on JVZoo or Warrior Plus, and that's because he sells these checklists on there. So this is just another example for you to see. Always be sure to read these license agreements to make sure that you stay in the boundaries of what the content and the creator is allowing you to do with the content. Now that you have a good understanding of what PLR is, let me show you 11 creative ways to use PLR for affiliate marketing. So way number one is going to be videos. So this is recent PLR that I bought, and this is what it looks like. You can actually see there's a bunch of different folders for a bunch of different topics, right? And this is one of the license agreements that I just showed you. So I'm going to click inside of affiliate just because it's related to the topic that I like to write about. And as you can see here, these are all different PLR text files. So essentially, I can take every one of these and I can read through the content and I can do various things with them. And one of them would be videos. So this is actually a pretty decent one for creating a video. And that's one way you can use PLR is to give you ideas on what to write about and what to make content about. And so in this particular case, you could actually make a video with this content. You would definitely want to read through it, make sure it's accurate, up to date, make it your own. You can definitely shorten it if you think this is too long. But you can see in this particular document, the topic is 3 things that all affiliate marketers need to survive online. Who wouldn't want to watch a video on that if they're interested in learning how to succeed with affiliate marketing? And so you can see here, what are the 3 tactics? And you have tactic 1, tactic 2, and tactic 3. So you could literally take this and turn it into a video. Now, once again, make sure you read the license agreement because you saw that in the first license agreement, using this for a business, in this particular case for this PLR, is actually not allowed with the agreement that I bought. But you can use this as an idea, so I could still use this for affiliatemarketinginformant.com. I would just come through here and use this as a baseline, as a framework. I can make it my own and then turn it into a video. So to show you what this looks like, this is my channel on YouTube, Affiliate Marketing Informant. I have different playlists of content that I have set up on my homepage, and you can see this is a playlist for affiliate marketing tips and tricks. So that particular article that we just read, turning that into a video would fit very nicely into this particular playlist. It would add value to you, it would help you out, and you'd probably get some views along the way. Way number 2, blog posts. So here's an example of what I mean. This particular private label content, how to best select an affiliate program. I'm going to click on that and you're going to see the title here, and this gives you information here and you can read it. I actually created some content around the same topic, and I could have used that original content to help me create this post. In this particular case, I changed it to 9 questions to answer before you choose an affiliate program. It has a checklist with it, and the idea is just to answer people's questions around affiliate programs and what they need to look out for before they join so they don't get their account shut down, and they're just prepared to go through the process. So that article you just saw, you could easily take that content, change it, add to it, make it a really good blog post, and post it on your website like this. And the cool thing is that you can actually take the content in a blog post and you can turn it into a video. That's what I've done in this case here. So there is a blog post, there's also a video, and I've got them linked together. Way number 3, lead magnets. So in this case, a fellow good marketer that I know actually uses PLR and gives it away as a lead magnet. So you can actually put in your name and email here and click to get free PLR. He just purchased the PLR. He checked and made sure he had the rights for it. And then when I sign up with my email, I will actually get an email with the PLR in it. So that's another way to actually repurpose PLR content. And in this case, you actually build an email list, which is good for you, so you can build your own community and communicate with these people over time. So here's a little tip for you. If you are in the make money online niche or the digital marketing niche or online marketing niche, anything to do with online marketing, you can actually use this particular source for PLR. These are checklists that you can use for yourself to teach you how to do certain tasks, but you can also repurpose them. If you want to know more, definitely check out the link on your screen, watch the video, and I'll show you where you can get these checklists. Way number 4, bonuses. So here's an example of what I mean. This is a product for sale, and at the very bottom of the very long sales page, there are these additional bonuses. Now these, once again, can be PLR content. So you can use the PLR content, make sure it's good quality, and actually add that to bonuses to encourage people to buy your offer. And this is especially good when you're doing affiliate marketing because it makes your affiliate offer different than every other affiliate marketer out there that may be promoting the same thing. So it's a way to encourage people to buy from your affiliate link opposed to everyone else's. Way number 5, emails. So going back to this article that we looked at earlier, the 3 things all affiliate marketers need to know to survive online, this would actually make a really good email. Once you start building up your email list, you want to continually send them good, helpful content. And so PLR content is another way to help stimulate ideas for you so that you know what to send them. This would actually make a great email because it's helpful, it's insightful, it's informative. So I can actually take this, put in an email, and send it out to my subscribers. So these are examples of emails that I've recently sent my subscribers. And as you can see here, knowing how to survive online as an affiliate marketer would make it a great topic in this email. So you just click on it. You've got the content as you can see here. So take that PLR content, build it in the email, repurpose it, reformat it, make it look good, and send it out to your email subscribers. Way number 6, checklists. Right, I've created a series of checklists, and these would actually be great from PLR because they would give me the ideas to help me figure out what content to make. So in this case, you can see how to sell affiliate products on your site checklist. So this is actually a checklist. It's a blog post. In some cases, it's a video, and it's an actual checklist. You can see here, it's just repurposed and reformatted into a document. This can be easily created in Word doc. This could be created in Microsoft PowerPoint. This could even be created in Google Docs or Google Slides. Make it pretty with the font like this, turning out to the PDF, use it as a lead magnet to get people to opt into your email address. So many different uses, and all this content can actually come from PLR. Here's an example of PLR content about affiliate programs and which one do I choose. Take tidbits from this and create a checklist. What beginning affiliate marketer doesn't want to know how to choose affiliate programs? And you're starting to see the trend here that all of these different ways can actually be used together. So the checklist can be used in an email, it can be used as a bonus, it can be used as a lead magnet, it can be used as a blog post, and it can even be turned into a video. Way number 7, newsletter. So PLR content is great for newsletters. So you can see this is an example of a newsletter that actually charges $29.99 a month to get the monthly service, and there's a bunch of different articles in it. PLR can help you come up with ideas of what to write in each article. Obviously, once again, you want to try to repurpose it, make it your own, make sure it's current, up to date. But if you're thinking and struggling with coming up with ideas to fill up a whole newsletter, PLR is great for that. Way number 8, a membership site. Here's an example of a membership site called Simple Traffic Solutions. As you can see here, it is literally just a WordPress website turned into a membership training platform. This is the homepage, as you can see here. Click on the PDFs and you're going to actually get like worksheets, simple traffic ebooks, mind maps. These worksheets look like to be PLR, just repurposed. Once again, there are tons of different PLR checklist that you could buy that actually would be great is this. So you can build a membership site, use PLR to put content on it, and charge people a one-time fee or even a monthly fee if you update the content over a period of time every month. Way number 9. Resell a PLR pack. So assuming that you have the rights to resell the PLR, you can actually take individual PLR content, bundle it together in a package, and resell it. So this is Warrior Plus. This is actually a really popular place to buy different PLR on different topics. In some cases, the content here is actually just bought PLR and just packaged in a different way to make it unique and resold it to you. Way number 10. A Facebook group. So here's a Facebook group that I am a part of. And if you look here under units, you actually come here. This is PLR content that just has been taken and repurposed. It's been organized to be helpful and to give value to the audiences here. But you can see different things like there's ManyChat free training. You can buy PLR on that. You can, here's a checklist on how to set up landing page. You can buy PLR on that. You can obviously make it yourself too, right? So you can see here, this is another creative way to actually use PLR to build out content on your Facebook page without actually having to create it yourself. Way number 11. Infographics. Here's an example of what an infographic looks like. It's just basically a strung pieces of content in a visual way. They're typically long form. You'll see a lot of these on Pinterest. This is information that can be easily taken from PLR content. In this particular case, I just talk about a particular training and sort of the section of affiliate marketing and what you're going to learn about. But just think, you can actually take that content, make it really visual like this, repurpose this in all the ways we've already previously discussed. You can put it on a blog post. You can send it as an email. You can put it on Pinterest and use it to drive traffic to your website. You can use it as a bonus. You can offer it as an opt-in, and you can even create this information as a video. And don't sweat. There are many easy ways to create infographics today. So this was actually created in Microsoft PowerPoint. You could create this in Google Slides, or you could use a free program like Canva. And they have some cool templates to make this really easy. You just pop in the information and you turn it around and then you just start sharing it. And that's going to be 11 creative ways to use PLR for affiliate marketing. I hope this video has helped you out. If you're serious about learning how to succeed with affiliate marketing, definitely check out my link below. It's hands down the best free starter training I've found for you yet. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, comment below, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.